Hi everyone, it's Maddie. Welcome back to my channel. Today I have a really exciting double unboxing for you from none other than Cartier and VCA. This is a little screenshot here. I am so excited to share these with you. I had just recorded my 2024 luxury resolutions video, and this was kind of in that vein. If you haven't watched that video, go watch it. But my fourth and final luxury resolution was to invest more into fine jewelry, and no time like the present to get started. Don't wait until, next year. Although this isn't going up until January, it is now, actually today is New Year's Eve. But you don't need to wait for the new year or for a new year or new week or whatever to chase your goals, right? So if you have goals to buy more, now's the time. Time like the present. Let's start with the VCA unboxing. I'm really excited for this one. Okay, VCA has recently been in the TikTok, Instagram, luxury influencer world for changing their packaging. I have already unboxed this on Instagram, so this is not a true unboxing. This is more of a reveal and chit chat. So let's talk about it. Okay, here's the ribbon, and you'll see it's a separate ribbon. Okay, what they're talking about on TikTok and Instagram is the new VCA packaging has the ribbon attached, and you get like a cardboard box with your very expensive jewelry purchase. So mine does have a cardboard box, but actually I received the full velvet box, which I guess is the older style. I don't know, actually. We don't have like full reports from VCA as to which items actually include what packaging, but I did get the old style packaging, which is really beautiful. But I will say that like packaging is kind of like the bane of my existence. I do wish, honestly, this is a lot of fun. Unboxing is a lot of fun. It's cute, but I wish packaging would just go away. Like, I have a whole part of my closet dedicated to packaging, and it is such a burden. It is so bad for the environment. It is like so wasteful. It's not even the thing you really want, and it's just more work to store and take care of and deal with and blah. And I'm not into it. I'd be fine. Like, you know how like they made straws illegal? It's like then they made bags illegal. Like, just make packaging illegal. Get rid of it, it's fine, and we will all carry our Trader Joe's tote bags with our purses in dust bags, no boxes, just dust bags, and we will be on our merry way. So what mine also came with was this cute little travel pouch, which is really all you need. If I didn't have all of this paper, trash, whatever, this box, and just had this, actually I'd feel so much freer. Like, the packaging. Okay. And before we get to the unboxing, let's just talk about what else we got, because I'm going to be annoying like that. They gave me some cute little chocolates, which are the ones that are specially designed for VCA, which actually are a gift to my husband. Thank you. This is my receipt. Yeah, my receipt. There we go. And then this is, I think, the authenticity care booklet, life story. Yeah, here's like their certificate of authenticity and care and services. So I would love to just have that emailed to me and not have to deal with like okay, you can put the chocolates in a box, but don't put the jewelry in the box. Okay, so we have the ribbon, the storage pouch, the paper box, the other box. Good Lord. And this is what I got. I'm so excited to share it with you. These are the mini size rose gold pave, I think it's a frivole earrings. They're so cute. They're a little flower blossom clover. These have, I'll show you, like a little, what's that called? Press on backing. They're not clips, they're like studs, but you have to like squeeze it to get it on and off, which I like because it's really secure, and they are so cute on. I was really excited for these. So these retailed for, oh, I could pull out the receipt, which could have been an email. This meeting could have been an email. These retailed for $7,250 here in the States, plus tax. One of my friends is always like, oh my gosh, United States and tax. Her channel on YouTube is Hiya Glamazon. Hi, babe. I love her channel. She does these like Hermes dragging videos, like all about people complaining about service in the Europe boutiques. Look at how cute that is. So my nails look really green in this light. They're like green and pink, so, but you're just getting the green. Anyway, she's like, United States is such a scam because you go there and you're like, okay, I know exactly how much it is. And then they're like, yeah, but that does include tax and then the other tax and then this other tax and then 10 cents for the shopping bag. She's like, what? Look at how cute that is. So it's like super glam, super bling, but still kind of everyday. I plan to wear these basically every day. Get a closer shot. So these are like my little diamond studs. I think it's the Victoria. And then these are the VCA. So cute. Anyway, I'm really happy with that. I've been loving rose gold lately. I got the rose gold Hermes ring and the matching earrings, which I could also stack with these if I want a full rose gold moment. I like to mix metals. I have like gold and platinum and gold, and then this is beige gold and yellow gold. Chanel Special, they have their own gold color that no one else could have. It's beige gold. Okay, the Cartier unboxing's funny because I tried to I unboxed it for a video, for a reel, and then I didn't fully rebox it correctly. So love that for us, but we're still gonna have fun. And look at all the goodies that the Cartier box came with. Cartier purchase. We got, again, the packaging. 2 little bottles of Cartier champagne. So cute. Oh, careful. Okay, there is the travel pouch. All right, this is all I needed. I'm not gonna use the other box. And I'm burdened with keeping it because people care about it because it's a thing that exists. But if it didn't exist, they couldn't care about it. And I wouldn't need to keep it and I would be totally unburdened. There is my receipt in here. And then the authenticity certificate here. Could have been an email, once again. This is really cute. So in addition to the champagne, my essay gave us some fragrance samples. By us, I mean me. I mean, my husband was there, but these are for me, not for him. I don't know, they could be unisex. So I'm excited to try these. I actually have no idea what these smell like. But these are the 3 scents that we got. Which is kind of nice, you know. Cartier essays have it tough because everything there is so expensive that it's special occasion purchases only versus the Chanel essays. They're what if I just sold you a Twilly, you know? And it's great. But at Cartier, I'm see you next year. Because the pieces last forever. I've had these 2 bracelets from Cartier forever. Actually, this one's only from 2021. But this one I've had 5 years now. Anyway, here's the bottom half of the box. Here's the wax seal. It's so cute. You rip one side. Here's the annoying thing that Cartier does is they use a double-sided tape so it's wrapped perfectly, but it makes it hard. You can't really slide the package out. Slide it out. Okay. Imagine this is, okay, hold on. We'll just rebox it and unbox it. How annoying am I? Oh, cute. Oh, cute. Okay. This box is actually very beautiful. It is a really beautiful thing. It's just not a thing that I use. Okay, so now I have, what if I had all of my Cartier boxes lined up on my dresser? The dust. Okay, and then the button. Okay, you ready for this? What did I get? Guess down below. Okay, too late. It is kind of hard to see. It is the small love bracelet in rose gold. So now the trifecta is complete. Let's see, unstrap it from its little home. I mean, it is a very cute, thoughtful setup, but good Lord, do we need it? No. I mean, someone may argue, Maddie, you don't need any of this. You already have a wrist full of bracelets. What are you doing? Well, I'm getting more into rose gold and now I can wear all 3 together, or I have the optionality of like picking two. I could do like a pick two. That's high class around here. So this is the small Cartier bracelet. I wear a size 17, 18, I don't know. There's that. I think 18. I get them a little big, so you can see they like up here at my wrist, they kind of hang off a little. See? And I can like turn them all the way around, which technically you're not supposed to do, but I like to push all my bracelets high up on my wrist like that because I just think it's more comfortable. And this is the look. Okay, the other thing that we can do is not only can you wear it on your left hand, but you could also wear it on your right hand. Like, Maddie, we are not. But I really like the way that the rose gold and the pink look together. How cute is that? So this is like the little combo. Actually, I really like that. And see, I like that it's big enough that I don't have to wear it down here. Some people really like their love bracelets tight, and I'm just not about that life. So there you go. How cute is that? And now I have a full set. I feel really bad. The only other thing that I really have on my wish list from Cartier right now is the Just Include necklace, which is a pretty penny. It's like $13,000. But if you think about it, that's like a bag from Chanel, like a classic flap. So there you go. That's the modern times we live in. I don't want to end this on a dark note. I want to end this on a positive note. Okay, I'm really happy. I'm enjoying rose gold. I'm going to be investing more into my fine jewelry collection. I am going to be wearing more fine jewelry pieces that last a long time, kind of transitioning out of my costume jewelry phase. Even though I love my costume jewelry, I think we all recognized in that last video that the pieces were not lasting like they were supposed to. And this is going to be like a better investment. And by investment, I mean like wardrobe investment. As in, like, this Just Include ring. How much did it cost? I think like $1,500, less than $2,000 or around $2,000. I have no idea. But I've worn it every single day since the day I got it. So the price per wear is exceedingly low. It's crazy low, right? Like these diamond earrings, I don't know how many every day for the last 2 years. And they're gonna last 10, 15, 20 more years. So that's something like costume jewelry could never. She could never be that girl. So we're just gonna rebalance the scales a little bit. Pendulum swings one way and then we swing it back the other direction. Then we might go too far and then we're gonna swing it back. And we're gonna be on like a 5-year jewelry buying cycle. It's fine. I hope you guys all really enjoyed this video. Please let me know, which item did you like best? Do you like the full set? Do you guys mix metals too? I know some people are like really anti mixing metals, but I don't know. I'm enjoying it. I'm enjoying the mix. Anyway, I hope you guys are all having a great day and I will talk to you later. Okay, have a good one. Bye.